Dear students, we are discussing the fats in oil and their properties, and let's discuss about the different uses and different products of fats in oil. Here we discuss the most important use of fats in oil in our daily life, that is role in the cooking. So as you might have appreciated that there is hardly any food in our routine cuisine that is possible without the use of fats or oil. So it has to be cooked in different fats and oils, and we need to have all different properties for different food products or fat and oil products that have to be used. For example, we discussed the melting point. So if we are frying certain foods, we might be looking for higher melting points or lower smoke point, higher smoke point in case. Similarly, butters and margarines, they have got some other properties. They are again used for making certain food products. They can be used as frying medium. They can be for other cooking methods in our local cuisine. So this would very much depend upon different cultures, but I think in every culture, every food would have to use at least some amount of fats and oil in their preparation. So as a medium of cooking, fats and oil have got very good properties, like it would impart a peculiar flavor to your final product. Once your products are fried, it might give them a crisp texture that is preferred or desired by many consumers. Similarly, if you use high temperature of cooking, because fat can cook your food quickly, and they would use higher temperature as compared to water, because the boiling point of water is 100, so you would be close to that temperature when you cook something in water. But if you have to use fat as a cooking medium, the fat might go up to 250 degrees C as well. So that high temperature would cook your food quickly, and it would bring out many desirable attributes to your final product. So that is why I think one of the single most reason why fats and oil are very routinely used element of food preparation. Once we use fats and oil as a frying medium, or if we use them in any other food formulation, they would actually be absorbed by the final product even during frying or other preparations. So that higher amount of fat absorbed by the end product, that would also mean that they would increase the calorific value of your food. So you would have more energy or more calories that are derived from such food prepared in fats, and they would have, as I already discussed, that higher satiety value. That would mean they would make you feeling fulfilled for a longer time. Another important application of fats and oil in industry is they are used as shortening. As earlier discussed, shortening are specialty fats which are used for baking for bakery products. They have got very high melting points. They are quite solid at room temperature. They produce certain desirable flavors in the end product. They are added to the flour in order to make the dusting floor or other floors come together, so that it doesn't spread. So it brings them, the powder particles, together in most of the bakery products when it is used as shortening. There could be different attributes of shortening that have to be considered when we produce or buy any shortening. They could be the amount of shortening that you add to the final product, the temperature that you are going to use. Normally bakery temperatures are quite high, so we have to look for the kind of fats and oil that have got higher stability to be used in bakery items. That is why most of the shortening would have higher melting points as compared to the routine fats and oil. It would also depend upon what other ingredients we are using and what level of manipulation is done to the shortening, because we do mix that with other ingredients during baking operations. They are also used as seasoning For example, we do use creams and butters and ghee for seasoning of many sweet products. They can also be used as seasoning of salads, but if we talk about seasoning for salad, they are again specialty fats in which we are looking for highly fluid, highly liquid fats which do not actually solidify at the surface of those different vegetables or salad leaves. So this was all about the different uses of fats in our cookery or in our industry, as a medium for cooking, or as other important properties of fats and oil to be used in the industry or in our domestic cooking as well.